This is how you'll catch all the snails in your garden in one night. It's a natural method that works instantly. I struggled with snails in my garden for years, but after using this trick, they disappeared right away. The preparation takes just a moment. Start by preparing a plastic container, like one from fruit or margarine. The main ingredient is beer. Choose a cheap, dark one. Fermenting beer releases a strong aroma that snails can sense from far away. Pour about 2 cups into the container. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to enhance the smell. The next ingredient is yeast. It will kick off the fermentation process. Add 1 tablespoon. You can also add a bit of soy sauce. Its salty taste and aroma will further boost the effectiveness of the mixture. If you want the mixture to be even more effective, peel a cucumber and add the peels inside. It acts as extra bait that snails absolutely love. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly and let it sit for 30 minutes. Set the trap in the evening, exactly where you've seen snail trails. The smell of fermentation will lure the snails, and they'll crawl right into the container. Change the mixture every 3 days. You'll see results after just one night. Your garden will be safe, and your plants saved. An eco-friendly way to catch all the snails in your garden. Gardeners love this trick. You can make this cheap trap in just a few minutes. Start with a large bowl to prepare the mixture. The first key ingredient is all-purpose flour. Measure out 1 cup. Flour is rich in starch, which acts as both a food source and a thickener. It gives the mixture the right consistency. Pour the flour into the bowl. Then, measure 2 cups of cold tap water and add it to the flour. The water helps blend everything into a smooth mixture. Whisk well until there are no lumps. Now for the most important ingredient, yeast. During fermentation, yeast releases carbon dioxide and a strong scent that attracts snails. Add an entire packet of yeast to the bowl and stir again. Next, grab an empty container with a lid, like an old ice cream tub. Cut rectangle-shaped holes into the sides. They need to be large enough for snails to crawl through. Place the finished trap in your garden, where snails are most active, around cabbage, lettuce, or strawberries, for example. Pour the yeast mixture into the container and close it with the lid. Snails are drawn to the smell of fermenting yeast. They'll crawl inside and stay there. This is a safe and effective way to catch snails without using any chemicals. Are you tired of snails destroying your plants? Are you looking for a natural way to get rid of them? Here's a simple recipe for a mixture that will effectively deter snails from your garden. First, prepare a pitcher. Pour half a liter of warm water into it. Then add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Its strong smell and taste discourage snails. The next ingredient is half a teaspoon of garlic. Snails can't stand its smell, and it also has antibacterial properties that protect plants. The final ingredient is 1 tablespoon of ground coffee. The caffeine in coffee is toxic to snails, so they avoid it. Now, mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Let the mixture cool down. Once the mixture is cold, you need to dilute it. Add 500 milliliters of water to 100 milliliters of the mixture and stir. Now you can water or spray your plants with it. Use the mixture regularly to keep snails at bay. Remember to spray your plants after it rains. The mixture also works on other pests. Thanks to this, your garden will be free from unwanted guests. Are snails destroying your garden? This will save your plants. First, prepare a tall container. Pour in about 17 ounces of water. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of strong alcohol. This addition not only boosts the mixture, but also gives it properties that might surprise you in a good way. Then add 1 tablespoon of barley malt. This is a natural ingredient that has been used for centuries, not only in cooking, but also in many household hacks. Barley malt has a distinct, pleasant aroma. Mix everything thoroughly until it becomes one well-blended mixture. Pour it into the empty milk carton. This carton is more than just packaging. Take it to your garden and place it where you most often see snails. Make sure the carton is open and lying on its side so every snail can get in. The smell of the malt works like a magnet, quickly attracting pests straight into the trap. With this trick, you'll effectively catch all the snails that are damaging your plants. Just 1 tablespoon is enough to keep snails away. If you have snails in your garden eating everything you grow, try this trick. Pour instant coffee into a bowl. The caffeine in coffee is toxic to snails. It also has a strong smell and slightly acidic pH, making it an unfriendly environment for these pests. Importantly, it's safe for plants. Transfer the coffee to a tall container. Add about 1 cup of warm water and stir until the coffee dissolves completely. Now take a garden sprayer. Unscrew the cap and pour the prepared coffee solution inside. Then dilute the mixture with about 1.5 gallons of clean water. Close the sprayer tightly. Use this spray on plants vulnerable to snails, especially vegetables, lettuce, or herbs. That's where pests usually appear. Snails will disappear within a few hours. This spray irritates and repels them. A completely natural way to take back control of your garden. A natural slug-repelling mix. A trick passed on to me by an old gardener. You can also use it as an eco-friendly fertilizer. I've been using it regularly since last season, and I have to say, the results are amazing. Slugs, especially the shellless ones, can do serious damage by chewing through leaves, stems, roots, and even flowers. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of used coffee grounds. The strong aroma keeps slugs away, and the caffeine it contains can actually affect their nervous system, making them avoid the area. Then add 3 tablespoons of sawdust. Its rough, uneven texture irritates the soft bodies of slugs and soaks up moisture from the soil, creating an environment they hate. Next, add 3 tablespoons of wood ash. It also dries out the soil surface and makes it even harder for slugs to move. Plus, it's rich in potassium and calcium, which naturally enrich the soil. Finally, crush 1 eggshell and add it to the mix. The sharp pieces act as a barrier and also release calcium into the soil, improving its structure and nourishing your plants. Stir everything thoroughly and sprinkle a thin layer around your garden beds. There's no need to overdo it. Just mark a clear line that slugs won't want to cross. This natural method is cheap, effective, and completely safe for your garden. Just 1 tablespoon is enough to keep snails away. If you have snails in your garden eating everything you grow, try this trick. Pour instant coffee into a bowl. The caffeine in coffee is toxic to snails. It also has a strong smell and slightly acidic pH, making it an unfriendly environment for these pests. Importantly, it's safe for plants. Transfer the coffee to a tall container. Add about 1 cup of warm water and stir until the coffee dissolves completely. Now take a garden sprayer. Unscrew the cap and pour the prepared coffee solution inside. Then dilute the mixture with about 1.5 gallons of clean water. Close the sprayer tightly. Use this spray on plants vulnerable to snails, especially vegetables, lettuce, or herbs. That's where pests usually appear. Snails will disappear within a few hours. This spray irritates and repels them. A completely natural way to take back control of your garden.